everyone, I welcome you in You Know We Know channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe it, like, comment and share the information what you have gained so that we all can know it. Okay, in my videos inshallah it will be much more informative and it will build your confidence level to face any of the interviews in the healthcare settings, medical, especially the nursing, and also you can face the examinations, DHA, prometric, entrance exams, or any of the nursing based questions. So let's begin. Here is my first question. Doctor orders says infuse 1500 ml of lactate ringer over 12 hours. Drip factor is 15 GTT per ml. So here we have to follow the basic drop factor formula. Always remember 1000 is equal to 1 liter. So here we are going to infuse 1.5 liters, that is 1500 ml. So the drop factor formula is total volume, IV volume to be divided by time into minutes. Okay, hours to be always multiply with the minutes, 60 minutes into the drop factor, then we will get the drops per minute. So here how we are going to apply the formula is total IV fluid volume. How much it is? It is 1500 ml to be divided by 12 hours. 12 hours to be multiplied by 60 minutes. Here when we are going to multiply with the 60 minutes, the complete answer of it to be again multiplied by the drop factor. Here in the question, the drop factor is given as 15 GTT per ml. So this 15 we are going to multiply with the total answer what we have got. Then we will get the answer that how much drops per minute we are going to start to the patient the infusion. Okay, so try to apply. Practice makes the man perfect, so practice it. If you nurse also, just take a piece of paper and a pencil or a pen, just roughly portrait on your paper and you will be ready with your answer. Hopefully you have done. So let's see whether it may be 31, 32, 95 or 15. A, B, C, D, which is the right answer. So here the answer comes. So good, 31 GTT per minute. So how many have got the correct answer? Please comment me and let me know. Okay, so all the best. Here comes the second question for today's video. Is doctor order says 300 ml of ampicillin sodium 500 mg to infuse over 40 minutes. Okay, drop factor is drip factor or the drop factor is one and the same, 20 GTT per ml. So here how we are going to apply formula? We are going to focus only on the ml or the total volume. So first the total IV fluid volume according to formula of drop factor is total volume is 300 ml to be divided by, don't observe on the 500 mg, it is just for confusing. Okay, don't focus on 500, it is already mixed in 300 ml. So we focus on 300 ml. 300 ml total volume to be divided by times. What is the time? Here there is no hours, so no need of multiplying any hours in minutes. So just we will be dividing 300 ml by 40 minutes. To that total to be multiplied with the drip factor or the drop factor 20. Then you will get the drops per minute we are going to administer to the patient. So please solve it. This I want you to find out the answer of the question and let me know. Leave your comment in the comment box with the answer. So all the best. Here is your third question. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. Doctor order says 2 liter of D5 half normal saline with 50 milliequivalents, MEQ is milliequivalents, kCl potassium chloride to infuse over 48 hours. Drop factor, trip factor is 15 GDT. 2 liters. 2 liters in the sense that is 2000 ml. Don't focus on this D5 half normal saline, because this is the solution what you are going to take to administer to the patient, will be added with 50 milli equivalents of potassium chloride. Mostly this will be given in the case hypokalemia. The medications such as potassium chloride we administer to the patients, okay, so that to be infused over 48 hours. The drop factor 15. So apply the formula. What is the formula? Total IV fluid volume divided by total IV fluid volume is 2 liters, 2000 ml, to be divided by 48 hours. Multiply the 48 hours. Here the hours is mentioned, right? So we have to multiply the hours with minutes. 48 into minutes. Get the answer of this. Then that to be multiplied by the trip factor, that is 15 GDT per ml, and you are going to get the answer. Boom! Here is the answer. The drop factor will be drops per minute is 10 GDT per minute. Okay, have you got your correct answer? Let me know. So here comes your fourth question, that is doctor order says 0.4 liters of D5W in normal saline to infuse over 3 hours. The drop factor is 10 GDT per ml, that is per GDT 10 GDT per ml, in the sense in 1 ml of the IV set you are going to give 10 drops per ml. GDT in the sense 10 drops per ml. Okay, so here the question is like the total volume is 400 ml. 0.4 liters in the sense it is less than half liter. Okay, 400 ml of D5W in normal saline to infuse over 3, that is D5WNS. Okay, over 3 hours to be given drip factor 10 GDT. 400 ml divided by 3 hours, 3 to be multiplied by 60 minutes. 3 hours to be multiplied by the 60 minutes. Then the total to be multiply or times by 10 GDT drops per ml. Then you will be getting the answer, the drops per minute. So what's the answer? You have got it. A, B, C, D. 20 GDT, 22 GDT, 21 GDT or 30 GDT. So let's see. Boom! So here is the correct answer, 22 GDT per minute. Okay, hopefully you have got the correct answer. If you have got the correct answer, please let me know in the comment box. Here comes your next question. Get ready. Doctor's order says 50 ml of Zofran to infuse over 15 minutes. The drop factor is 15 GDT. Here the ml is only 50 ml. Okay, 50 ml divided by 15 minutes. Here no need of multiplying with minutes, because already we have minutes, 15 minutes. That to be multiplied or times by 15. So 50 divided by 15, the answer you gets to be multiplied with the 15, and you will. So what is your answer? Whether A, B, C, D, what you have got it? Let's compare it with the correct answer, and boom, here is the answer, 50 GDT per minute. Okay, by following the formula we have got 50 GDT per minute is the correct answer. Here comes your sixth question for today. So Dr. Order says 250 ml packed RBC to infuse over 4 hours. drop factor is 15 GDT per ml. So what can be the answer according to formula? We have to take like total IV fluid volume to be divided by 4 hours. 4 hours to be multiplied or times by 60 minutes, and completely to be multiplied by the drop factor, that is 15 GDT per ml. So how we can do it? Here there is a tricky question. So how it can be? There is mentioned, doctor order says 2 in the sense 250 ml plus 250 ml, that is 500 ml. Okay, packed RBC to be infused over 4 hours, 4 to be multiplied or times by 60 minutes, complete it to be multiplied by the drop factor 15 GDT. So have you got the answer? Okay, so 31 GDT per minute, 19 GDT, 30 GDT or 32 GDT. So hopefully, because tricky question, right? Boom, here is your correct answer. Doctor order says 2, that is 500 ml, 250, 500 ml packed RBC to infuse over 4 hours, and we get it as 31 GDT per minute. Here is the 7th question of today's video. Doctor order says 3 liters of D5W with 20 milliequivalents of potassium chloride to be infused over 24 hours per minute. Okay, the drop factor 10 GDT per ml. So here 3 liters in the sense 3000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So don't focus on D5W, don't focus on 20 milliequivalents, because 20 milliequivalents will be added in 3000 ml of D5W. So focus on 3 liters, focus on 24 hours, focus on 10 GDT. So according to formula, total volume is 3000 ml divided by 24 hours to be multiplied or times by 60 minutes, completely multiplied by 10 GDT. So what is your answer? Whether you got A, B, C, D? 21 GDT per minute, 20 GDT per minute, 72 GDT per minute, 86 GDT, or that is the drops per minute to be starting to the patient. So let's check out, have you got the correct answer or not? So here is the correct answer, 21 GDT per minute. By following the drop factor formula, we have got the 21 GDT per minute. So continue with your next question for the practice. Here it comes. So today's 8th question is, MD Medical Director writes an order for Tylenol 160 mg by mouth as needed every 6 hours for pain for a child. So pharmacy dispenses you with 80 mg per ml. How many ml will you administer per dose? Here the formula change. Okay, change the formula, because here we are having like a drug dosage formula we have to take, not IV fluid or mixtures or drop factor formula. So what is the normal basic drug formula? It is desired dose divided by stock strength, okay, multiply by total volume, okay, multiply by total volume in the stock, total volume. So how it is? It is 150 mg, that is the desired dose or doctor's order, divided by dose in the stock, that is 80 mg, multiplied by per ml, multiplied by 1 ml. So here don't focus on the timings, do not focus on any other things, just focus on the doctor's order divided by stock strength multiplied by total volume. The answer: 2 ml, 6 ml, 0.5 ml or 25 ml. So here, boom, you have got the answer. As the doctor have advised to administer 160 mg, that to be divided by 80 mg multiplied by 1, you will get 2 ml. Basic comes your next question. 9th. So the doctor writes an order for mucomus 300 mg by mouth, 1 dose before the hard cath. Pharmacy dispense you 600 mg per ml. So how many ml will you administer per dosage? So here the same basic drug formula you have to carry on. It will be desired dose, that is the doctor's order, 300 mg to be divided by dispensing or the strength or stock strength 600 mg. 300 mg divided by 600 mg multiply or times by 2 ml, and you will be ready with your answer. So here what we have to do, find out how many ml will you administer per dose. According to per dose, how much ml you are going to administer. It is the syrup, right? So apply the formula A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Answer, let's compare with the actual answer. Here it's 1 ml per dose we have to administer to the patient mucus. This is very basic for many, right? So it comes as 10th question, last question for the day. It's MD writes an order for lactulose 20 grams by mouth, BID. Pharmacy dispense you 10 grams per 15 ml. How many ml will you administer per dose? Here, by following the basic drug dosage formula, it will be like 20 grams divided by 10 grams, doctor order divided by stock strength 10 grams multiply or times by 15 ml total volume, from the total volume. So you will be getting the answer. What's your answer? Whether you have got 30 ml, 15 ml, 20 ml or 7.5 ml. Basically it will be very easy for the persons who are experts or have much more mathematical knowledge. By just observing the question only they can get the answer of it. But it's always good and best for us to apply the formula accordingly and get the answer, because drugs is so dangerous. If it is given in less or higher in quantity, then it may harm to the patient. So always follow formula. Do not follow any expected results what we are having. Boom, here is the answer for today's last question of this video. So hopefully you have got the correct answer. By applying the basic drug dosage formula you can get it. The results of all the answers have given approximately, not the exact one, so you can get like 0.5, 0.2. So this was end of my video. Thank you so much for being till the end. I request please like, comment, share and subscribe. You know, we know.